Python, list append is a method that lets you add one item to the end of the list. Let's do an example. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L.append 4. Print L. If we run this code, we'll see L is now a list with 1 through 4. So this example answers a couple of different questions. Does append mutate in Python? Yes, append mutates as it modifies the list directly and doesn't return a new list. What does append return in Python? Append returns nothing, or more specifically, none. Append returns none as it doesn't return a new list, it modifies the existing list. What does append do in Python? It adds a single element, in this case the integer 4, to the end of the list. The next thing y'all probably want to know is append O of 1? Append is amortized O of 1, meaning, and I'm oversimplifying this a bit, most of the time append is O of 1, but sometimes it takes longer when the list must be expanded in size internally. Let's do one last example to answer, can you append a list to another list in Python? L equals a list with 1 and 2. L.append a list with 3 and 4. Print L. If we run this code, you'll see we appended the list, but the list is now not flat, as we literally just added the whole list in as a single element. Use the list extend method if you want to combine two lists and want the resulting list to say the same dimension of the lists you're adding together. In Python, list extend is a method that lets you append all items from an iterable to a list. First, we'll learn how to use extend in Python. A equals a list with 1 and 2. B equals a list with 3 and 4. A dot extend B. If we print A and run the code, we'll see a list with 1 through 4. This code also presents the question, is Python list extend in place? From the code I've written, hopefully you can see that extend is in place as it mutates the original list A and did not return a new list. Next, how to extend an empty list in Python. A equals an empty list. A.extend with a list of 1 and 2. Print A. If we run the code, we'll see a list with 1 and 2, which begs the follow-up. Can you extend empty list, Python? I know in one part the question seems silly because of course we can. We just did it. The other important nugget, though, is Python lists are dynamically sized, which means if they need more space, they're simply internally resized to be able to hold more elements. Let's answer how to extend one list to another in Python. Obviously you can use extend, but here I'll show a bit of a nuanced method. List A equals a list with 1 and 2. List B equals a list with 3 and 4. A plus equals B. Print A. If we run this code, you'll see a list with 1 through 4. Plus equals does list extend between two lists. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.